I'm Adam Steinfurth. This is sheetshelp.com, and this video is about how to remove the blank rows that you may be getting from the bottom of a query function output. So I have this set up on the screen right now. So on the left is the source data, and the content stops at row 11, but we're going to go all the way down so that we catch new rows. So on the right here is the query output. So I will click in E5 and you'll see we have the query function here, and it's looking at the range A5 to C. And the way that we're looking all the way down is that we dropped the ending row number off of the range. That way when we add something at the bottom, it gets added to this query. So that part is working, right? So if we come to the bottom of this and we add something, even though it's at the bottom of this table, so essentially adding a new row, it comes into the query because of the way that you wrote it, right? But also the way that you wrote it is creating this problem. So if I come to a seemingly blank row underneath that query function and I type anything here, it breaks the query function because it was writing a blank row into that area. So now it can't complete its job. So we will come and delete that little text string that was in the way. And we're going to append this query, add a little bit to it so that it's more resilient. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, hey, select all that content unless the rows are blanks. So that we say that by using the where clause, and we'll say column A, and it's not blank. And we say that by saying not null. So we'll hit enter, and the query output looks the same, except that it actually stops at row 12 because 13 is blank. So if we type something in here and we hit enter, we don't get the error because the query function isn't writing down that far. All right, so in this next video, we're going to talk about a Google Sheets add-on that allows you to create a pivot table from more than one source. All right, I'll see you in that video. Thanks for watching.